Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App request failed. First, you need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. If you're using a Wi-Fi network, try switching to a different network or restart your router. Now, if you are using a mobile data, then check if you have a strong signal. Second is to update your Cash App by going to the App Store or Google Play Store and install any update if there's any, as outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issues that can cause request failures. Third is to double-check the recipient's details such as their cash tag, phone number, or email address. Make sure that you have entered the correct information without any errors. Fourth is to make sure that you have sufficient funds available in your Cash App account to cover the requested amount, as low balance and pending transactions could result in request failures. If you are still having the same issue, then I highly suggest to reach out to Cash App customer support for further assistance, as they will be able to investigate the specific reason for the request failure and guide you on the necessary steps to resolve it. Comment down below if you have any other questions and I will do my best to help you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.